In this video we are going to talk about some terms in systems of equations and matrices. In other words, learn some vocabulary. This is a system of linear equations or multivariable linear system. And this is the augmented matrix written from the coefficients of the variables, as you see, and the results of the equations. Without the results of equations, we have the coefficients as the elements, so this is called as the coefficient matrix. When you apply Gaussian elimination on a system of linear equations, you get the row echelon form. When you use Gaussian elimination in matrix notation, you get the row echelon form in matrix notation as in this example. Row echelon form of matrices have the following properties. If you have a zero row, it should be at the bottom of the matrix. Or if you have zero elements, it should be under the diagonal. The first non-zero entry in a row is 1, called a leading one. So you should always have 1 or try to get 1 at the first place. In the third property, it tries to say if you have 1 here, then the numbers under 1, the elements under 1 should be 0. In the second row, you shouldn't have 1 here, it should be 0. You should have 1 maybe here. And the numbers, elements under that element should be 0 and so on. So you should have this triangular form, which you should have the 1s in the diagonal, and under the diagonal you should have zeros. If you're using Gauss-Jordan elimination, then after getting this row echelon form, you do some operations to get the reduced row echelon form, which you get the identity matrix in the coefficient part of the augmented matrix. So these are the terms and notations that we're going to use in chapter 6. Of course, we have more, and we are going to go through them as we come through.